Now that we have already worked on the create and read operations on Express API app, what we'll do is we'll start creating the Vue app as well. So this is the server where we have our API. Let me just create a new folder for client as well. And in this particular folder, we'll be working on the front end part, that is the Vue application. So let me just open the terminal. Now, before creating the Vue application, we have to make sure that Vue is installed in our system. For that, we'll just give the command @Vue CLI. So this is going to make sure that Vue is installed on your system with all the packages that are required. And after this, we'll be working on to create the Vue application. Now that Vue is installed in our system, what we have to do is just change the directory. We're going inside the folder where we are trying to create the Vue application. Once we are inside it, we'll just give the command npm create vue@latest. Now it's going to give me prompts. So basically it's asking for the project name. So let me just give it social app. After this, I just need to select the features that I want to include in the project. So I want to include TypeScript. Then I want to have router as well, vtest, and let's say ESLint and Prettier as well. I think we're good here. And let's have some example code also in the project. So the creation of the project is done. I just need to change the directory again. Social app. Once I'm inside the directory, I have to give the command as instructed. See over here you see that currently we don't have node modules folder. We have given the command npm installed as required. After this, we'll have the node modules folder created inside social app folder. So the command is successfully executed, and over here we see the node modules folder created. Now what we have to do is just do npm run format, and then I just want to start the server. Over here you see npm run dev is the command that we'll be giving to start the server for this particular application. So this is the URL that is provided for the local host that we are going to use. Earlier, this was the URL that we were using for Express API. And now you see the solution is running for the Vue application. You are able to see on the screen the sample format that the application is already coming up with. We are going to make the changes in the solution over here. This is the source folder for the Vue application. We have components that are already coming up when the project is created through our command. We have router as well because we had selected the router feature. Over here, we are coming with index.ts file, and then we have views. So here we have app.view. This is the outermost view that we have in our application. So basically all of the templates would be rendered through here. We'll need to make some changes in this source folder for the components that we have.